OnePlus 6T, mirror black, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Camera, 20 plus 16MP dual rear camera with optical image stabilization, super slow motion, intelligent scene recognition, nightscape mode and studio LIGHTING 16MP front camera. Display, 16.2 cm, 6.41 inch, Full HD plus Optic AMOLED display with 2340 x 1080 pixels resolution and an 86% screen-to-body ratio. Screen unlock, in-screen fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus 6T unlocks the moment your finger lands on the display for a seamless and intuitive unlock experience. Memory, storage and SIM, 8GB RAM 128GB storage dual nano SIM with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. Operating system and processor, Android v 9.0 operating system with 2.8 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor. Battery 3700 mAh lithium-polymer battery with fast charge technology. Warranty 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. Included in the box, screen protector, pre-applied, translucent case, OnePlus fast charge Type-C cable, OnePlus fast charge power adapter, SIM tray ejector, quick start guide, safety information and Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.